Algebraic manipulations, practice 1, problem 8. Solve for z. The equation given is d equals vz minus half z square. This is a quadratic equation because the power of z here is 2. There is a fractional term half z square. We can get rid of the fraction in this equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. 2d on the left hand side equals 2 times the quantities on the right hand side, which are vz minus half z square. We'll distribute 2 on the right hand side, 2 times vz and 2 times half z square. Left hand side is the same, 2d. 2 times vz is 2vz and 2 times half z square just gives us negative z square. Let's bring all the terms on one side of the equation so that we can write this equation in the general form of a quadratic equation. We will bring negative z square here to the left hand side, it will be added and 2vz will be subtracted. Z square negative 2vz plus 2d equal to 0. Now this equation has been put in the general form of a quadratic equation. Let's look at the general form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here the variable is x. In our given equation the variable is z. If we compare the coefficients with z square, the coefficient being multiplied is 1. So the value of a would be 1. Here with z, the coefficient is negative 2v, so the value of b would be negative 2v. Plus the constant is 2d, so the value of c will be 2d. Let us write this down. A equals 1, b equals negative 2v, and c equals 2d. Now we can solve this equation by applying the quadratic formula. Let us write the general form of quadratic formula first. So the solution of this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is given by the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. We will apply this same formula here to our equation. Z equals negative b, which is negative times negative 2v, plus minus under root of b square, which will be negative 2v square, minus 4ac, which is minus 4 times 1 times 2d, whole divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1. Let's simplify this. 2v plus minus square root of 4v square minus 8d whole divided by 2. We can factor out 4 from here, and since it is under a square root, when we factor it out of the square root, it will be written as 2. 2 times v plus minus under root of v square minus 2d whole divided by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled out and we are left with z equals v plus minus under root v square minus 2d. And this is the solution of our equation.